Good morning, class 5th. How are you? I hope you have seen my last video clearly. What we have done in last video, we have started our chapter working with table. हमने सीखा how to create a table, how to enter data into a table. Now the next topic is modifying a table. What is the meaning of modifying? Modifying means we can change the size of the table according to our requirement. After entering the data, you can make change in the data as needed. We can insert row, column or cells in the table to accommodate new data. Similarly, we can delete also. We can delete row, column or cell from a table. Unwanted cell, row, column. Anything we can delete, anything we can insert according to our requirement. Okay. Now we will learn how to delete rows or column from a table. For that purpose, number 1, क्लिक द लेआउट टैब अंडर टेबल टूल्स टैब. हमने क्या सीखा था, जैसे ही हम टेबल बनाते हैं तो ऊपर ऑप्शन आता है टेबल टूल्स. ओके, ऑटोमेटिकली वी स्विचेस टू द मोड टेबल टूल्स. टेबल टूल में हम देखेंगे देयर विल बी अ टैब लेआउट टैब. देयर इज अ टैब लेआउट टैब. जस्ट क्लिक ऑन लेआउट टैब. लेआउट टैब पे क्लिक करने के बाद बिलो द लेआउट टैब्स वी विल सी मैनी ऑप्शंस. वी विल फाइंड ऑप्शन डिलीट. ओके, here is the option delete. In this option we can find a arrow, down arrow. We can see a down arrow. Just click on this down arrow. We will find many options. Number 1, delete cells, delete columns, delete rows, delete table. जो भी हमें करना है, अगर हमें पर्टिकुलर सेल को डिलीट करना है, जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दैट सेल एंड क्लिक ऑन दिस ऑप्शन डिलीट सेल. वी कैन डिलीट द सेल. डिलीट कॉलम, अगर हमें कॉलम डिलीट करना है, सेलेक्ट दैट कॉलम एंड देन click on this option delete column. Similarly, delete rows and delete table. In this way we can delete any cell, any column, any row from a table. Now we will see how we can delete the rows or column from a table. Now I have opened a table. अब वो table में we will try out how we can delete row or how we can delete column. Okay, first we will see, I have opened that page. We will see table tool here. We can see table tool. Yeah, because I am in table mode, तो automatically यहाँ पर tables tool आ गया. अब table tools आने के बाद we can see a tab here, layout tab. Below this table tool we can see layout tab. Just click on layout tab. I have clicked. We can see many options here. Delete, insert, below insert left. This delete option for delete a particular row or column, and insert above, insert below, these options to insert rows or column. Okay, now we have to learn how to delete a column or row. First we will see the table. This is our table. Okay, suppose we have to delete this last column, position column, from this table. So what we need to do, we have to select that column like this. We have to, okay, after selecting this column, just go to delete option and that arrow. We will find delete cell, delete columns, delete rows, delete table. So we have to go delete column. Okay, I have deleted the column. Now see in the table, that column is not here, that position column is not here. We have deleted that column what we have selected to delete. Okay, now we will learn how to delete a row. See this row I have selected already. This row I have to delete. To delete that row, again go to delete option, that arrow. We will find many options. Just click on delete rows option. We will see how. Okay, just click on that arrow. I have clicked delete rows. I have clicked on it. What we will see? We will see that row is not here in the table. I have deleted that row successfully. Okay. Okay, now next is how we can insert rows or column. जब हम टेबल बनाते हैं, while we are creating table or making entry in a table, sometime we forgot something. हमें कुछ लगता है कि we have to add something new in the table. To insert row or column in the table, what we need to do, उस चीज़ के लिए हमें insert option पे जाना पड़ेगा. Same in layout tab, there will be a insert option. In insert option we will find many options. Insert above, insert below, insert left, insert right. These 4 options will be there. जहाँ पर भी हमें insert करना है new cell, new column, new row. Just click on the row or column adjacent to that row or column. जिस भी रो के साथ हमें एक नई रो ऐड करनी है, जस्ट हमें वहाँ पर क्लिक करना है तो ऑटोमेटिकली एक न्यू रो ऐड हो जाएगी. सिमिलरली जहाँ हमें नया कॉलम ऐड करना है जिस कॉलम के साथ, तो जस्ट क्लिक दैट कॉलम, तो उसी के एडजेसेंट वी कैन ऐड न्यू कॉलम ऑल्सो. ओके, नाउ वी विल सी हाउ वी कैन ऐड और इंसर्ट न्यू कॉलम. वी कैन सी इन द पिक्चर layout tab में we will find these option: insert above, insert below, insert left, insert right. Now practically we will see how we can insert rows or column. Yes, this is the same table I am having. Okay, adjacent to position I have to add one column. Okay, मेरे को position के साथ में यहाँ पर एक column add करना है. तो what we need to do, हमें इसी column पर just हमें click करना है. हमने click किया यहाँ पर, हमें पोजीशन के राइट में इंसर्ट करना है. तो वी विल सेलेक्ट दिस इंसर्ट राइट ऑप्शन. आई एम गोइंग टू सेलेक्ट दिस इंसर्ट राइट ऑप्शन. या वी कैन सी अ न्यू कॉलम हैज़ बीन एडेड adjacent to position. Similarly below, above, adjacent to subject, anywhere we can add rows or column according to our requirement. Now to modify a table, we have learned insert row, insert column, delete row, delete column. Okay, now there are so many options. Manually we can also do these things. We can change the size of the column, we can increase the size of the column. Manually हम कर सकते हैं अपने, ठीक है. But there are many options in computer also, in Word also we are having many options. In layout tab there is an option auto fit option. In this photograph we can see there is option auto fit. अगर हम ऑटो फिट पे क्लिक करेंगे वी विल फाइंड 3 ऑप्शंस: ऑटो फिट कंटेंट्स, ऑटो फिट विंडो, फिक्स्ड कॉलम विड्थ. ऑटो फिट कंटेंट्स, अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर कंटेंट्स वी कैन चेंज द साइज ऑफ द कॉलम. वी हैव टू जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस बटन. ऑटोमेटिकली साइज ऑफ द सेल्स विल चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर कंटेंट्स. ऑटो फिट विंडो, अगर हम ऑटो फिट विंडो पे क्लिक करेंगे, सपोज हमारे पास विंडो का साइज़ बड़ा है बट टेबल वी आर हैविंग वेरी स्मॉल, तो वो टेबल को एनलार्ज कर देगा अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर विंडो साइज़. जितना हमारा विंडो का साइज़ है उसके हिसाब से वो टेबल को एडजस्ट कर देगा विंडो के अंदर. ओके, थर्ड ऑप्शन इज़ फिक्स्ड कॉलम विड्थ. इसमें जो कॉलम का विड्थ है फिक्स रहेगा. दैट वी कांट चेंज, वो हम चेंज नहीं कर पाएंगे. कॉलम का जो विड्थ है वो फिक्स रहेगा. ओके, तो दिस टूल स्ट्रेचेज द टेबल अक्रॉस द पेज फ्रॉम लेफ्ट मार्जिन टू द राइट मार्जिन. दिस ऑटो फिट विंडो, auto fit content, according to content it will stretch the table. Okay, now we will see how it will help us to resize the table. See, we can see here also auto fit to window. Suppose this is the window and this is the table. अगर हम auto fit window पे क्लिक करेंगे then table size will change from this to this. According to window table का size change हो गया है from this to this. Now we will see how we can change the size. Now same table again we can see, but here see the column subject. In subject is social science. अगर हम देखें according to social science this column size is small. We want this to automatically adjust according to content. So what we will do, we will go to the auto fit option. I will see how. I will show you. Wait for a minute. Wait. We can see this option, auto fit option. Just click on this arrow, auto fit contents, auto fit window और fixed column width. तो हमें किस पे क्लिक करना है? auto fit contents पर. Okay, we have clicked on auto fit contents. अब we can see this column subject social science. According to size cell और column का size अपने आप change हो गया according to contents. ठीक है. Now we will see how the table size will change according to window. Again we will go on auto fit option. Now we will click auto fit window. Okay, मैंने क्लिक किया. Now we will see the table size. See the size of the table has been changed according to our window. हमारे विंडो के हिसाब से टेबल का साइज भी चेंज हो गया. In this way we can modify our table. There are more ways to modify the table. We will learn in the next video. One more thing I want to tell you. See, in the table we can see a plus sign here on this left corner on the top we can see a plus sign here. Yeah, this plus sign will help us to move the see this plus sign. See, we can change the position of the table after clicking on this plus sign. On extreme right at the bottom we can see a hollow square, because small hollow square is there. We can see here a hollow square at the extreme right at the bottom. Okay, after clicking on this square we can change the size of the table. We will see how the size of the table can be changed. See, we can stretch the table, we can change the size. Okay, now students, in this way we can modify the size of the table. We can insert or delete the rows or columns. Practice these things at your home on your laptop or computer. अगर कोई डाउट है, कुछ भी है, तो whenever we will meet in school we will do practically on our computer in our lab. Okay, just do a lot of practice of these things at your home. Now in next class we will see how we can split the cell, merge the cell, applying border or shading. We will be having more fun with tables. Okay, for today, tata, bye bye.